Ford plans to revive the legendary Thunderbird brand as an electric car of the future. In January 2021, Ford filed a trademark application for Thunderbird with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, indicating their intention to develop an electric vehicle with the name. In addition, Ford has developed a prototype of a future car by utilizing sustainable materials. One of them is the use of waste from olive trees, such as branches, twigs, and leaves, which are processed into vehicle components. This initiative not only reduces waste, but also reduces the use of plastic in car production. With these steps, Ford shows its commitment to combining brand heritage with technological innovation and sustainability. The development of Thunderbird as an electric car and the use of environmentally friendly materials reflect Ford's vision for a greener and more sustainable future for the automotive industry.